Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullah berekatuhu. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan OZER. Today I am in Izmit and I would like to introduce commercial store for you today. We are in industrial region of Izmit and we are so close to city center of Izmit. It is just 5 minutes far away from here. And today I would like to introduce 1,850 square meters commercial land. On this commercial land, there is 800 square meters commercial store is on the market. And let's have a look to details together. The property is located on the corner sites and it has, as I mentioned before, 1,280 square meters commercial land, which is including 65% construction rate. What does it mean? You can rebuild approximately 1,500 square meters building on this commercial land. In current situation, there is 800 square meters commercial store is on the market. This place is producing place of the windows and aluminum panels, and outside of the building is covered by the composite material. As you see, you can buy as a property or you can buy as an investment, like a company for this property. And I want to show the situation. As you see, highness of the ceiling is so high. If you are thinking to make and if you are thinking to buy a commercial place in Turkey at Izmit, this property can be so suitable for you. This section separated as a management office, and let's have a look to details inside the management office too. All the facilities are available: electricity, water and natural gas. And as I mentioned before, we have 1,280 square meters commercial land. On this commercial land there is 800 square meters building is on the market. And here is the management office section of the property. Buranın ışığını da açalım. And here is the other section of the management office. Of course, there are WCs are available inside the property. And I want to show from here too. If you are thinking to buy commercial properties in Izmit, in city center of Izmit, this property can be very suitable choice for you. For more information, you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan OZER. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 00905322078634. I'm repeating my number again, 00905322078634. If you like my videos, please not forget to like my videos. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and fi aman Allah.